Not between me and her. Cause remember say when they do them sponsorship nationals, them never have winner it.
Now this one here mix up. Gracie come out and she addressed her situation with Dwayne. In this, she says that she sees that he's shading her and she act like she don't know.
Who else you could have talked about? Who else you could have talked about another time in this man when you say it? And that's something you always say. You always shade me. You always do it, Dwayne. But me might just do like me not know, but me know. You always do it. You do it sneakingly. Drop your words sneakily, very sneakily. Because the woman is around you. And she can control you and tell you how to run everything and tell you how to do everything. She couldn't control me. She couldn't control me. She come out. You need sponsorship for Beach the Yard. I never take it. Ask her. I have the right to play my voice note then to cover myself. Yeah. Oh, God. I never scam nothing from you yet and the sister call. When did she call? Hey, I don't want them call my name on the platform. Because when that take her money, lady, me never take no money for your sister. I never send out the receipt them. Just like how she could have bring out other people receipt or she give them. Bring out my receipt. 2 times me and that woman do cash up transaction. I'm going to go shop and I buy product from her. Me send money go give her. 2 times. When she called me Thursday, she said, Gracie, doing not danger. And she soft start, I'm wrong for going. And I went. She paid.
Me I beg you to subscribe now, share, like and comment on the video.